Hey Yuki, do you have backup generators for factory power outages?
Of course, these three canopy diesel generators are custom built as backup power for factory, and this one is 400 kVA. The other two are 150 kVA each. They are heading for Europe. They can run independently or synchronized together with intelligent load sharing and phase matching. Follow me. Powered by Volvo engines, strong starting ability, they will auto start during outages, keeping production safe. And check this vibrant orange, a special color customized for clients to match their size. Since they will run outdoors, waterproofing, dust protection, low noise are all essential. The canopy is power-coated, not just stylish, but also corrosion-resistant for long-term outdoor use. Reliable, customized backup power, ready for any outage. DM or email us today.